Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Tuesday, December 1st, 2015. Take a look at this stock today. CMI Cummings getting absolutely annihilated, down about 7.33%. This is just more bad news. This stock has been under pressure, continues to be so, and many traders and investors today have asked me, where is this stock going? I mean, where is it going to be a buy? When is it going to be a buy? To answer that question, you must go from the intraday chart, which is what we're on right now, the 10-minute chart, to the daily chart. And this gives you a better perception of how far this thing has fallen. If I zoom out, look at this fall. The stock was trading as high as $160 basically in 2014. In 2015, it was trading as high as about $140. And from $140 down to 93 is an unbelievable fall. This here does not give us a support line, though, so we must go to a larger time frame. And basically what you want to do here, folks, is just keep zooming out. So here is where you're going to find the level. All right, by doing this, you're basically going to the weekly chart, and you can see going back all the way to 2007 and 2006 when this stock was literally 30 bucks, 25 bucks a share. Now, to find the level, what you want to look for is connecting trendline pivot points. All right, so to do that, the first thing that jumps out at me are these little pivot points over here and then these right here. And it almost looks like you can connect those. So let's do that right now. What if we connect this general vicinity right here? And look at that, folks. Isn't that amazing? So pivot high, pivot high. Here's another little pivot high before it broke out. Pivot low, pivot low. So what this tells me is that if CMI falls into this trend line, approximately $89, give or take 50 cents to a buck, somewhere in that vicinity, that is going to be your buy level. All right, so really right there as it comes in. So it's actually pretty close. I mean, you could see this later this week, very possibly. And again, that to me is a 80% success rate long swing trade for probably a bounce of about 7 to 10%. Now, you're not going to get married to the stock. You're not going to love it forever. But at least for a short-term 7 to 10 bounce in a matter of a couple weeks to a month, I think that's a very high percentage trade on CMI. And this is what we do for a living, folks. At InTheMoneyStocks.com, we study the charts. By studying the charts, we can analyze and understand exactly what levels are high percentage winning levels. And that's what we look for. We look for these scenarios. The PPT methodology guides us, which is our proprietary methodology, which I'm using here. And this will ultimately tell you where to buy and where to sell. And here it is, guys, right here. So $89, give or take a little bit on CMI. That is your long level. Beautiful chart right here, guys. All right, come join us at InTheMoneyStocks.com, folks. Profit with the pros.